what is this? Like, it's one piece. Anyways, hey guys. So this is gonna be a quick tutorial on how I do my makeup literally every day. This is what I do if I'm in a rush. This doesn't take me long, especially if I do it every day. You know, I get accustomed to it, it's in my brain. So it doesn't usually take long. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Please subscribe because y'all, I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos. Just let me know what you need and I'm gonna give it to you. I know I look probably crazy getting ready, but I'm telling you, everything is a process. You already know. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you guys like it. Okay, I know what you guys are thinking. Who are you and what did you do with the girl that's looking cute? Like, who is she? Well, sweetie, she has to come out of me and I have to do this. I know I have a bonnet on, that's because I just woke up, washed my face and all those great things. So don't judge me, all right? So we're gonna get this tutorial started because this doesn't need to be longer than it already is, all right? And I'm not gonna be listing no products because like, I don't have no special products. I'm gonna just say what I use, which is not too special. We're gonna take a spoolie and swipe these bad boys up. I got my eyebrows arched. So when you get your eyebrows arched, it's so much easier and quicker to fill them in because that's literally all I have to do is just fill it in. When I don't have my eyebrows arched, girl, I be looking up. Oh, okay, a motherfucking mess. I know some people like to start from over here and like fade their way up, but maybe I'm just slow like that and I like to do it this way. Just filling it in, lining it up. And then I don't like to do too harsh because if you do too harsh, then you gonna look like a cookie monster, girl. We don't want that. And then I take my spoolie and I brush a little bit in the front just to make it, you know, not look so strong, you know. This part is just so fucking long. We're getting somewhere, all right? And I know people have their own techniques, so don't be like in my comments like, girl, why did you do it like that? You could have did it like this, and this is actually how you really supposed to do it. We all do makeup our own unique way, and how you do your face is probably not the way I want to do my face. And that's just it, girlfriend. This is an eyebrow pencil. I got this from the beauty supply. I know people use like dip brows and things like that. I use that as well, but I don't know. I know I'm gonna have this every day more than I'm gonna have my dip brow, like, cause I run out of that and I'll go buy it later, but I will always find an eyebrow pencil laying around here somewhere, so what I use. My eyebrows don't ever be like perfect as far as like matching, like ever. And I just learned to accept that because I would spend so much time trying to make them match. And I would be mad at the end of the day, so it never really matters. This is by Revolution. I'm gonna take this concealer. And this is like a quick thing I do. I know people, you know, line it up and stuff like that, which is what I do too. But I just apply some in the lower part like this. See, I didn't really line it up. Watch what I'm gonna do, because I know y'all like, what the hell? This is what I do when I'm in a rush, okay? This look not my color, which it probably is not, I'm not gonna lie. Probably like a couple shades lighter than intended. Just gonna take a flat brush and we're gonna line it up like so. And try. And it's just a quick method for me, because like I said, I just don't like being slow. Now, blend her out with a blending brush. I know it's a concealer. You need to make it a little different when you're in a rush. So, and this concealer is very, it dries very fast, so I be trying to hurry up and like blend it makeup be looking like a hot mess when you first put it on. It really does. We blend her same way with some concealer and lightly brush it like so. Alright, whatever. Now that that's done, I'm going to spray my face with this Morphe setting mist. I really like this because it's like a mist and not like, you know, just straight on spray. You know, it just feels good on my face. Morphe blending sponge. Sometimes I use a brush for my foundation, like when I want, you know, a very precise look, like I go in evenly and things like that, but today I don't have time for all that. So I am using my beauty blender. I feel like using a beauty blender is very quicker than using a brush. We evenly distribute it on my forehead. Don't forget about the back. Concealer and conceal under these old lady Chanel bags, okay? Don't want no bags under these eyes. And I kind of go in a little harsh with the concealer because, like I said, if I'm in a rush, girl, I'm looking real tired, alright? I try to, you know, really get in there with the concealer. I really do. I do have a LA Girl Pro concealer that I like to go over. I do my makeup a little more softer than this, but I'm telling you, when I'm in a rush, I do it a little more like harder. Probably shouldn't do that, but girl, I gotta go, you know? Like, I have to go. Now we're gonna blend her out. When I'm in a rush, y'all, I be trying to blend as hard as I can. Like, I be blending hard. I be like, damn, I'm smacking the shit out of myself. Trying to wake myself up. So, after that, we're gonna bake her. Where the fuck is, hold on. I don't have like a go-to, what's it called? Like a go-to baking powder. Like, I have some that I like, but like not, I don't know, major ones. I need like ones that's like make me porcelain, you know? Like, I need like a matte baking powder. Like the one I'm using now is Airspun. She's cute, she's alright. I really like a full coverage look. I really do. Like, I like my face to look just like perfect. I just like being perfect, you know? I feel like in makeup, when you want like a more softer look, you should use more powders. And then when you like really want like a real dramatic look, you should use the liquid and things like that. Just blend her out. I like to look in my mirror, down and go up with my mascara. Oh my god. Yeah, I hate the process of makeup so much. So much. I don't understand how I do this all the time. It's ridiculous. So now we're gonna brush this all off her face, okay? I like to pat and brush because, like, I feel like if I just swipe and brush, like, it leaves like real harsh lines. Girl, don't need those problems. So I am going to take setting foundation or something. I don't know. We're gonna pat her all around my face. just to set, you know, things we didn't say, or just to blend things we didn't blend out, you know. Like my contour gets a little lost, so I like to, you know, just deepen it up again. Nothing too harsh. Take this bronzer that I had and use it on the side of my face, like so. And I do this side. Put on eyeliner. If you can't afford like the most expensive eyeliner, just go and get you a pencil from your beauty supply or Walgreens or something of that sort. Do this. Then we're gonna add some highlight and we'll be done. Okay, I'm gonna take my it's like a really thin, fluffy brush, and I just use this a lot for my highlight because, like, I don't know, it just really gets my point across. So I use this. I'm using this is Anastasia Glow Kit, her palette, and I know they have like NYX highlighter, which is really good, but I ran out, so you know I had to dip into my expensive one. Girl, these titties nose snatched, honey. When you put highlight on the nose, like, I feel like that's just what puts the face together. That's just what brings the dogs out, girl. I'm gonna put it on my higher cheeks. I don't really do too much to my lips. Like, I don't know, I'm just like not a lip girl. I mean, I could try it out. And then I was just like, okay, like I'm not the one to go out and like reapply like lipstick or nothing. I reapply lip gloss, but like, I don't know, I'm just not a lip stick girl, no matter the color. I mean, it is pretty shades out there, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. I'm just not a lip girl. I just feel like my lips are fine, and yeah. I'll take a makeup wipe and I just wipe off makeup that I know is like left on my lips. And I just want to make sure I wipe that off. And then I apply my gloss. This is from Beauty Supply. Called like MAC. I'm sorry. It's called Max. It's called Max. Really thick and heavy, and it lasts. Barely lasts. I think it's like supposed to be like a replica of MAC lipstick. But girl, I live closer to a Beauty Supply than a MAC. So she's all good. We're gonna just spray her. Again with the Morphe setting spray. I mean mist, I'm sorry. It's not even a spray, guys. It's a mist, honey. And then we're gonna let her set a little bit. Yes, I can feel the formation, who I'm becoming. It's so great. Okay, and she's the beat. So I'm gonna take this Raggedy Ann bonnet off, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna see how the hell you look at the end of the day, girl, okay? I'll be back. Okay, so this is the final look. This is literally my makeup routine all the time. If you guys want a video where I show more of the products, let me know. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you want my other videos to be, and I will do them. If you guys have any questions, just ask me. I'm like an open book, it doesn't really matter. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.